History, Chapter 10, The Chalukyas of Badami and the Pallavas of Kanchi. The Chalukyas of Badami, 540 CE to 753 CE. The Chalukyas ruled in South India from 550 CE to 750 CE. They existed from 973 CE to 1190 CE. Many powerful kings ruled Karnataka in the 6th century CE. It is believed by the historians that the rulers of Chalukyas began in 550 CE by their first ruler Jayasimha. Under Pulikeshi rule, Vatapi was now in Badami Balkot district, the capital. Imadi Pulakeshi, the most powerful and noteworthy empire of this dynasty, is Pulakeshi II. Overpowering the Gangas, Kadambas, and Alupas, he extended his empire. The ruler of the Chalukyas began in the 6th century and ended in the middle part of the 8th century. The Palwas were at the peak of glory in South Deccan. Since Mahendravarma did not accept the sovereignty of Pulakeshi, Pulakeshi defeated him. When Harshavardhana, who was ruling in North India, he advanced up to the bank of river Narmada. Pulakeshi stopped him and earned the titles of Dakshina Pateshwara and Lord of the Peninsula. For his daring act, Pulakeshi too could not rule the whole of his kingdom from one center. He appointed his younger brother Kubja Vishnuvardhana as the provisional head of Vengi and Jayasimha as the head of Gujarat province. Later on, Chalukyas ruled the kingdom of around 5 centuries under the name of Chalukyas of Vengai. When Shang visited the Chalukya's capital, he has given a detailed description of Pulakeshi II and the Chalukya kingdom. He has said that the king was just and kind, the army was disciplined, and the soldiers were courageous warriors who were not afraid of death. The subjects were lovers of truth, content, self respecting, prosperous, and loyal to the king. They respected the king very much, and the king loved his subjects. Pulakeshi too was an optimistic emperor. He had friendly relations with foreign kings too. Arab historians report that he had diplomatic relations with the Persian king Khusro too. After some years, the Palwa king Narasimha Varma I took revenge on the Chalukyas for the defeat of his father Mahendra Varma. He occupied the Chalukya kingdom and captured Vatapi. During the time of last Chalukya king, Kirtivarma, the Rashtrakutas captured the kingdom. The contribution of Chalukyas. The Chalukyas developed the Kannada land, language, and culture and protected its religion, literature, art, and architecture. They were the ones who gave the name Karnataka to this land. The region of the Badami Chalukyas is a great and glorious period in the history of Karnataka. They ruled for around 200 years. The king was actively involved in administration. The kingdom was divided into districts called Vishaya, and the Vishwadipti used to look after it. The contributions of Chalukyas. During this period, the Tripadi form of poetry came into existence. Though there are no literary works produced in Kannada at this time, there are many inscriptions written in Kannada. One of the poem in the inscription of Kape Aryabhatta of Badami is in Tripadi form. The Sanskrit scholars of this time are Ravikirti, Vijayaka, and Akalanka. Kaumudi Mahotsava was written by Pulakeshi II's daughter-in-law, poetess Vijika and Hara Pravatya of Shiva Bhattara and important Sanskrit dharmas. Contributions of Badami Chalukyas towards architect and sculptures. Badami, Haihole, Pattadakallu and Mahakutas are the major centers of Badami Chalukya's architecture. There are the cave temples in Badami and Aihole, Ladan temple, Durga Surya temple, Meguti temple, Uchamali temple, etc. are the famous temples at Aihole that represent Badami Chalukya's architectural style. Aihole is called the cradle of temple architecture. At Badami caves, the embossed statues at Nataraj and Vishnu are wonderful. Contributions of Badami Chalukyas towards architecture and sculpture. Among the temples of Pattadakallu, Virupaksha temple is very beautiful and big. Mallikarjuna temple is another important one. It is said that the crowning ceremony of the Chalukya kings took place in Pattadakallu. It is considered as the World Heritage Site. The Pallavas of Kanchi. The Pallavas are the first king of Tamil Nadu. They enjoyed a special place among the dynasties which ruled South India. They ruled from the 4th century to the 9th century. In the beginning, they were the officials of the Shatavahanas. When the Shatavahanas dynasty declined, the Pallavas declared themselves kings of the territory. The Pallavas of Kanchi. Shiva Skandavarma was the first king of the dynasty. The Pallavas and the Kadambas harbored perpetual enmity towards each other. Pulakeshi II of the Chalukyas dynasty defeated Mahendravarma of the Pallava dynasty. Narsimhavarma I, who came later, was the most famous of the Pallava kings. He took revenge on the Chalukyas by defeating Pulakeshi II and capturing Vatapi. Narsimhavarma. These daring acts won him the titles of Maha Malwa and Patapi Konda. Hing Shang had visited Kanchi during this region. Narsimhavarma built a city on the sea coast near Kanchi and named it Mahabalipuram. Many monolithic temples were built by him. During the region of Aprajita Pallava, Aditya of the Cholas dynasty put an end to the Pallava rule. The contribution of Palvas. They introduced systematic administration in Tamil Nadu. Their contribution are significant in literature, religion, art, architecture and education. When the Chalukyas regained in Vatapi and the Pallavas in Kanchi, it was a heroic age in the south. Their kingdom was strong and organized. They were ministers and provincial officers. The kingdom had been divided into Mandala, Nadu, and Dharma. The Dharma Sabha dealt with the problems of the village. The Dharma Bojaka looked after the village administration. The Palwas' contribution to literature. The Palwas encouraged both Sanskrit and Tamil. Kanchi was the center of Sanskrit literature. Bharavi, the author of Kiratara Gunjina, and Dani, the author of Daksha Kumara Charitra, were the poet in the Palwas court. King Mahendravarma himself wrote a social dharma, Matavilasa Parahansa, and a book, Bhagavadu Guja. The Palwas encouraged all religions. The earlier Palwas king were Buddhist. The great scholars of Nalanda University, Dharmapala, was born in Kanchi. Since Mahendravarma was a follower of Jainism, there were many Jains in kingdom.